Then we can the live for 2 minutes. Guys, we just arrived in Harare, Zimbabwe, for the funeral of the late Russell Mupfuritsa. We want to take this opportunity to thank everyone. You have supported the family during this difficult moment. It's not been an easy journey for the family members. The deceased Akasia Mwana Nivana 2 and those Wanani 2 and other relatives, they have to travel all the way from Cape Town to Harare, 2 nights on the road, including the little ones. So we want to thank you. So we are going to the family now. They are doing a service now. Yes. Mulatara na desire. Ndetero desire. Yanga wapinde. Chidoti watore zvinu motikari mumdara asi ndara zvinhu zvisina zvakawandisa. Vanga vapake panapo right. Chidangokava muoffice. We have to. There's a memorial taking place now. Are you done with the? Yeah. Okay. Sorry. And the boat is going Kumba from here, and it direct, and it. Okay, so I will take it myself, Kumba. Then you guys, you come tomorrow morning for you pick it. Then we plan for the service. Okay. So that's the body for the late Russell. You can see on the picture, it's the wife left. I need to our kabatka. She's the wife. Okay. So we're going to provide the full coverage tomorrow for the whole burial. Warren Hills. I know there are some. We, as I mentioned earlier, she came all the way from Cape Town, Harare, 2 nights on the road. I actually drove them from Johannesburg to Harare. It's not been easy, guys. I don't want to lie to you people. Okay, bye-bye. So these are some of the relatives why have Sotora coffin, why have Sotora boat. So yeah. I'm sorry, and the family okay. Yes. Kwa newe nda kupanga uri pana pawe. Uri papi? All right. Gawa itai kuti wanda pana ku South Africa. All right. So yeah, see those who are just catching up now with us. Ibodi yataka panayo ku Cape Town. Ya mkoma Russell Mupfuritsa akashayikwa Cape Town. We did 4 repatriations this weekend. Saka is part of my body certifier now. He was a friend of mine, guys. Vanozapa ndakatanga company inonzi MFS. Russell ndiye akaita ma-adverts ese aisaibuda pa social media. He was one of the guys okuti waingomuudza kuti Rasi toda kuti ndine product yekuya pa market toy designer say. He did a lot for me, and kuya kwandaitopa namo I'm also showing the love to the family, to the friends. Kuti mumwe munhu wandakashanda naye nguva yakareba and zvakatondibatawo pamoyo. I think after the funeral vada kumuona ndichaposta mavideos ma-adverts akaita nema-interviews akaita about ineni. You'll be able to see kuti this guy anga akamira sei. He had a very special place in my heart. So anyway, for today we'll end it here. But kune vakabatsira the family members who are in UK, vari kuAmerica for the Mupfuritsa, our friends, Cape Town community, thank you very much. Nokubatsirawo kwamakaita kuti mukomarasi vaunzwe. Nhamo chayo not iri pamwana, iri pavana. You left your wife, young wife and 2 kids. Tongwana matirao kuti it's not easy to lose a husband. And it was a very sad moment when I was coming. They kept on reminding me that our dad is at hospital. Our dad is at hospital, he's gonna come back. So tell me atasosvika vana tavabvisawo. But pavaona box, vangu vachindidaidzwa vachindibvunza kuti who is inside that box, who is inside that box. It's very easy. It's not easy at all, guys. It's very difficult. Pachandongokumbirawo ndechekuti ngatingorambawo tichingonamatirana ramangwana rizikanwe. So my family members, mangwana, my friends are in Cape Town. Vada kuona the final burial yamukomarasi. The family members will advise you. We're going to have a full live program for all the proceedings. Chaitika wachapa ma speech, church people, so that you'll be able to join a program and engage it. Thank you very much.